Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here today in this session. I am Ashwati from Dash Frugal and I'll be discussing with you on the topic the future of customer onboarding and product success. Before that, in case if you feel like you want to stop me in between for any clarifications or doubts, please feel free to do so. So I'll just start the presentation by giving you a quick introduction about Dash Frugal. I'm sure that some of you might have already gone through our website. So, Dash Frugal is a new age digital adoption platform that helps SaaS firms with customer onboarding and dashboard assistance. Our major focus is on B2B businesses with an aim of providing them with simplified customer onboarding tools along with in-depth product training. And the onboarding process in Dash Frugal is designed in a very simplified manner that it helps users to learn about any software quickly and effectively on their own, along with real-time based support. Now, if we take an example of a new user who is logging into a new software for the first time, he'll be having many doubts and um, issues in getting started with a new software, right? So helping him and every others individually is going to be a very complex and time-consuming task. Therefore, with Dash Frugal's simplified customer onboarding template, you can help your users to onboard into any software very easily so that it can help them achieving in their values and goals easier. I hope that you have got a basic idea about Dash Frugal. Now let us go into today's topic. So we all know how COVID-19 has significantly affected the entire world. The year 2020 has been quite unfortunate for all of us. And for the businesses and organizations, they have been facing a very unpleasant situation for the past few months. And it is also getting difficult for the businesses to acquire new customers. So in such a situation, what major focus should be is on the businesses and organizations. Major focus should be is on retaining the existing customers along with bringing up with new innovative methods in order to cope up with situation and also find ways to attract new users. And when it comes to retaining a user for a longer period, it must be ensured that a user is able to get the most out of your product. That is, he should be able to derive his values faster. And this can happen only if he or she is well versed with the product or he has a good understanding of your product, right? And this highlights the importance of having a well organized customer onboard in your organization. Which brings me to my next slide, that is the importance of customer onboarding. We all know what customer onboarding is. It is a process that starts as and when a user signs up within a product or a software, and it is a continuous journey whereby the customer is being welcomed, familiarized, and made understood what exactly are the values that the software or a product is offering and providing them with the right features at the right time. A successful onboarding is one that lays a strong base between the user and the product. And it is the first touch point of customers with the product, and it determines how the customers will be able to adopt the software or not. It is very important to have a well organized and structured customer onboarding process if a user wants to achieve his goals easier and fastly. And now, since because of the present situation, already digitalization factor and COVID-19 has made clear the importance of having digitalized platforms more, and the other digital softwares with related to marketing or onboarding is increasing day by day, because customers these days are used to get or receive quick solutions for their problems, and that is what every organizations must deliver their customers. Digitalization is considered as very much beneficial, beneficial, and it brings many advantages, such as compared to other processes, it is very it offers very quick and reliable solutions, and also it is one of the cost effective methods when compared to the old manual processes. So COVID-19 has stressed the importance of having a fully digitalized solutions for the problems. Now let us look at some of the changes in customer onboarding that has happened due to the occurrence of COVID-19. The first one is obviously that remote customer onboarding is becoming more popular day by day. Earlier, when digital platforms or solutions were considered to have a second option or like a plan B, it was considered to have a nice to have option. But now it is being proved that going digital is very much important in order to cope up with such unforeseen events that may occur. For example, earlier people used to, in case of banks and financial institutions, there were people who used to choose manual processes in spite of choosing the digital platforms. But now they are being forced upon to switch to digital options that will give them a better and faster results. Similarly, supporting your customers along with their onboarding journey is quite essential, especially in during these unpleasant situations, and offering them proactive communication is also going to be more important than ever before. Situations like natural calamities or such issues like pandemic comes without any like we don't know when such situations might arise. Therefore, being proactive and offering solutions to customers even before they approach us is going to be very essential for the coming years. And this is just an example of in-app training with Dash Frugal. Here, as you can see, there is an automated message in the get help area. Here what happens is, as and when a user is having difficulty in completing his or her onboarding journey, he can press the get help option and he can send the message to one of our support teams. The advantage here is that the user does not have to explain the whole story right from the start, and he'll be able to receive solutions for his problem much quickly and easily, without even having to explain the whole process right from the start. I hope this example is clear for you. Now moving on to the next slide. Now let us look at some of the trends or upcoming changes that might occur in the future. One of the most important change that would be coming up in the coming years is with regard to personalization. We all know that every user is unique and different, and so are their problems. Therefore, giving personalized and customized solutions to each of the users is quite important. The need for personalization has been increasing since the past few years, and it is very necessary to offer personalized solution that caters to specific user needs, be it in emails or chats or whatever services that has been provided. uh, Bringing up more personalized way of delivering the solutions is going to be very important. And the second important point is with regard to flexibility. Similarly, adapting the software to changing customer needs or bringing up new improvements in the software is going to be very important. And it is also quite essential to ensure that the software is adaptable to certain uh, events or occurrences um, like such certain unforeseen events that might occur in the future. It is very important to make your software adapt to such conditions. And another point would be that of measuring the customer's journey and analyzing how far they have reached in achieving their goals or objectives. It is very important to be with your customer along with their onboarding journey and offering them help in every touch point, and organizations must try to align their goals to with that of the users. The next point would be the with regard to the importance of customer engagement. Engaging your customers throughout the journey is very crucial, especially with everything. We all know that everything is happening virtually and remotely these days. So there are high chances that the user might get distracted uh, while while their learning process, and this can also lead to a loss of customers, which businesses does not want. So bringing in innovative ways such as digital in-app training or real-time support and being with your customers throughout their journey is very crucial. And digital in-app training is one of the best methods in order to train users as compared to other methods. It is something which allows your users to learn by doing things and seek for help as and when they are progressing their onboarding journey. And this slide, this is a feature called CSM triggering, which we have in our onboarding process, wherein you can see these several message help messages, and also there is an option for sending customized messages. What it does is that um, in case if a user is inactive for a longer period when he is online, someone from the support team can trigger the user and make them and ask them if they need any help or support in order to complete their journey. So this will help the users to be engaged throughout their onboarding journey and will help them to realize their values faster. So we have seen how digital onboarding is going to be an essential part of every organization, and how far it is important to have a well organized and structured onboarding process. So to conclude, we can say that the future of customer onboarding and product training is going to be completely digital. And as Vince Lombardi rightly puts it, it takes months to find a customer and seconds to lose one. Therefore, businesses and organizations that brings up with innovative digital solutions to manage their customers and help retain their users will be staying will be able to stay competitive in the market and will also be able to tackle any such unforeseen events that might arise in the future. So we have come up to the end of the presentation. Now the session is open for questions. Please feel free to ask any questions if you have. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Are there any questions? Okay, so I guess there are no questions from anyone. In that case, we'll wind up the presentation. You can reach us at the following details, and please feel free to contact us to know more about us. Once again, thank you for being a part of this webinar, and I thank you for taking time in spite of your busy schedules to be a part of this session. And thank you, and have a nice day.